Hi guys, this is Rajon and in today's video we will see this letter writing called write a letter to your friend about your hobby. So just telling about your hobby, you have to write a letter to your friend. Now this is not something that's very difficult. We obviously have seen many easy letter writings in our previous videos. So this is an easy one too. You just have to understand this one well. So without wasting any time, I'm just going to explain this to you guys. But before that, let me tell you that if you want the HD picture of this letter, then you will get it in the description box. So check out from there. So now let's understand this. Now first of all, as you know, you have to write my dear friend here on the left side, and on the right side you have to write the name of the place from where you are writing this letter and the date on which you are writing this letter. And after that, here we start this paragraph. So let's see this. My dear friend, I have just received your letter and I am glad to know that you are well and healthy. As you wanted to know about my hobby, so today I am going to tell you about it. So here you are saying to your friend that you are happy to know that he is healthy and he is good. And your friend has requested you to know about your hobby. So today you are going to tell him about your hobby in this letter. Now let us see ahead. Here it is. My hobby is gardening. It is my favorite hobby. I have a garden of my own. So here you are saying to your friend that your hobby is gardening and it is your favorite one. You also have a garden of your own. After school's hours, I work daily in my garden. I have divided my garden into two parts. One part is for flowers and the other part is for vegetables. So, what you say? You say to your friend that after your school's hours, you go to work daily in your garden and you have divided your garden into two parts. In one part, you take care of your vegetables and on the other, you take care of your flowers. Now here you are going to say the reason behind your hobby. So let's see. I have chosen gardening as my hobby because it is a source of pleasure. It is a good exercise too to work in the garden. It also allows me to make the best use of free time. So you are saying that you have chosen gardening as your hobby because of many reasons. The main reason is that it gives you a lot of pleasure. The second reason is that it is a good exercise to work in the garden, which is obvious. And the other thing is that it helps you to utilize your free time. So in the next para, we write this much for now. Please convey my regards to your parents and loving words to youngers. So after that, this much for now. Please convey my regards to your parents and loving words to youngers. Now this is something we write in almost every friendly letter. So this means that that's all for today, and respect to your parents and love to your young brothers and sisters. So after that, what we do, we just write here with love and best wishes from. After that you write your name here. I have just written A. You should write your name if the question has allowed you to write your name. And on the left side, what you do, you write the address of the receiver of the letter. The address, whatever is given in the question, you just have to write that here. So that's all for this letter. This is not a big one, it's a small one. It's easy to understand. I hope I have made it clear for you guys, but if you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comment section. And as I said, if you want the HD picture of this letter, then just click in the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.